Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to another unbagging for Medusa's makeup. Aren't these beautiful bags? They're just this gorgeous light pink, metallic, and it says, I have a bonus item. What? Okay, let's get into here. La 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 la. Hold on. I am so confused. Okay, we have the card that has all the things in it. And this month, it looks like the theme is vibes. And that is what the card looks like right there. I'm trying not to look at the back of it because I don't want to spoil it. I do know one item that is in here because they do post it on their Instagram as a spoiler. Leave a review. Ooh. Okay. Product reviews, and then as always they have a little pamphlet telling about all their products and the company. Alright, and then what is this? Collagen Beauty, a plant fusion citrus flavored collagen beauty clear skin hydrator. Oh, a complete plant peptide. So it's a little drink powder mix. That's cool. Plant-based collagen boosting supplement that supports smooth, luminous, and nourished skin in citrus flavor. I'm gonna have to give that a try. I've never heard of that before. Plant fusion. Okay, that might be my bonus item. And then instead of the bubble wrap mailer, they seem to have they put it in a little. It is a bubble wrap, but it is actually it's a Ziploc. It's a reusable bubble wrap mailer. It's sort of a makeup bag. It is vinyl or heavy-duty plastic on the outside and says Medusa's makeup on the front and nothing on the back. It's pink bubble wrap in there. Oh, they're hearts. I don't know if you can see that, but the bubbles are in hearts. Isn't that super cute? All right, and there is a zip at the top, so it is reusable. And then let's get in to see what's in here. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, this is the one item I knew the spoiler for. This is their eye dust and duochrome eye dust in Ophelia. Let me see. Oh my, okay. That's all over everything already. That is gorgeous. Okay. Oh, that is something else. That is definitely going to need a glitter glue. It is supposed to be sealed closed, but okay. There is the color on my finger. I was trying to swatch it on my hand, but it's not really showing up, so definitely needs a glitter glue. But there is the color Ophelia. And get that wiped off. So that is leaking a little bit, even though it is sealed. So got that. And that is a duochrome, what do they call that? Eye dust. Okay, so definitely need a glitter glue for that. Alright, got it all over my fingers. Next up is something in a box, and it is sugarcane lip drops. Leave on lip exfoliator and primer. Interesting, from Seraphine Botanicals. And what does this say? A water-based gel that gently helps to exfoliate and retexturize lips, all without the need to rinse. And it is vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, with panthenol, sugarcane extract. Okay. I still have, oh my god, I still have that eye dust all over my fingers. I thought I wiped it off. Oh dear. Okay. I was like, why am I still getting stuff everywhere? Okay. Still got it everywhere, but it's better. Maybe it was is it in the bag? Maybe, oh, I hope not. Oh, I just dropped the bag. Oh no, and stuff is falling out. Okay, hold on. Okay, I picked it up. It's good. I'm putting it back in. I saw it, but I'm not revealing. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at these lip things. By the way, this lip color is very bright. This is cute. It's a little pink thing. And that is that. And what is the texture like? Is it like, it's a gel, I'm guessing, because it did say gel in there, didn't it? Okay. And then it comes in a little dropper. Interesting. Sugarcane lip drops. Leave on lip exfoliator and primer. I will have to give that a try and tell you what I think, but so far, I don't know. And there is glitter dust, eye dust, on this package. So there may be leakage inside the bag. I haven't determined that yet because next up is a pair of tweezers. I don't know why I'm saying it like that, but it is a pair of tweezers. They are copper, and they're a slant, and they have a band on them. So there we go. Nice little copper tweezers. They say Medusa's makeup on them. And I'll just put the little band back on there. Those are cute. Alright, and then we have, let's go for the short square box. We have a matte eyeshadow. Cool, in the shade Bermuda. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I've never gotten one of their matte eyeshadows before. I've only gotten the baked eyeshadow, which is metallic or shimmer. I don't know how you classify that. I can't get it open. Wait, I have tweezers. Hold on. I've seen this trick. You put the tweezer in the box and then pop the top. There we go. Hey, hey, hey. All right, and we got it out. Ooh, it's a pretty little compact. And let's see what the shade looks like. Alright, it does say on the back the shade is Bermuda, and this is what that shade looks like. Let me see if I can swatch that. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. That looks like a dusty blue, a gray blue, dusty gray blue. Looks a little more gray on camera, but there's definitely a little bit of blue in there, I think. So that's fun. And there's, yeah, I showed you that. That's the inside. That's a cute little compact, much more compact than their baked eyeshadows, which are huge. Alright, and then there's one thing left, yes, and it is a liquid lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick, and the shade Bang. Bang, bang. Okay, and let me get that open. It is sealed with tape, and there is eye dust all over it. So there must be eye dust. Yeah, there's eye dust all inside this bag. Okay, I will have to let them know that, but yeah. That's a thing that happened. So these beautiful liquid lipsticks go from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. How to apply? Yeah, we all know how to apply that. And this is the shade. It is sort of a pink. In, what was the shade again? Bang. Does it say on the container? Yes, okay, cool. I was like, just making sure. I hate when I get things and it doesn't have the color on it once you take it out of the package. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if I'll use this shade of pink, but that is it there. It's probably better than it's definitely subtler than what I'm wearing right now. So that's cute. Okay, so that's everything we got this month. We got our 5 items plus a bonus. So we got the liquid lipstick, the matte shadow, the tweezers, the lip oil, our eye dust, which is a coppery red color, and then our bonus of the collagen beauty drink. And that is it. I will leave the description, information in the description if you want to check out Medusa's makeup for yourself. I believe the subscription boxes are $22, $23. I was thinking they were less expensive than that, but I was looking and they're not. And by the way, that's dry already, and it won't rub off. Yeah, that matte lipstick is gonna stay put because I am trying to rub that off and it's not coming off. I'll have to use some makeup remover. Okay, well, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my content, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit the notification bell and YouTube will say, hey, there's a new video out. Go check it out. Until I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves and I'll see you later. Bye!